Okay.
All right, guys. So we're back here at the Milwaukee station, and this is ShreddyBear, my friend Tim. I haven't flown him for a couple years. He's actually trying out for the first time the HDO2s and the BYTE FROST system. As you can see, I got attached with a pole, the ground station to the chair pack.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and take off here. The picture's amazing. I'm impressed because this looks nothing like what Bardwell was stating. It's clear. The sky is dead knockout blue. It's gorgeous. All right, so it's in stabilization mode, which I'm not used to. Shoot.
Ooh.
Actually, it doesn't feel like stabilization mode right now.
Click it all the way up.
Oh, it is all the way up. So I just took off normal. All right, great. So I'm good now. Oh, man, the picture. Okay, this just became a whole lot more... Oh, my gosh.
Is it immersive?
Oh, dude, yeah. We got rid of the buzz, and it's it's a whole nother form of trippy. Oh my gosh. I'm impressed. My word. And I'm not used to this controller either, and I'm actually kind of a fan of that right now too.
Yeah, Tim usually does hybrid, and he's doing thumbs only right now on this flight.
Yeah, well, and the controller's very comfortable. I mean,
but Tim likes my tunes. He says I do well on tuning.
Your tunes are frightening, man. I can fly anything you tune. I can't fly anything I tune. I'm really impressed with his skills. He should become a tuner by trade. Quit his day job.
See, and I think the tune's horrible on it personally, but that's me.
He hasn't flown my birds.
Well, yeah, I mean, it's funny, the last couple of years that we've been flying together, everything that I tune, you love, and you fly like you've been flying it forever.
No, like I own it. I'm not afraid to crash your stuff.
Nice. That's good to know.
Well, I mean, if you just saw the move I just did, you'd know. Just, and I haven't done a power loop with this yet.
Well, it should power loop nice.
Oh, yeah. Go around behind us here. And the signal is all forward, and yet I got clean signal. I love it. I mean, this is completely different than analog. It's not a far turn. Now, I only have Dom V3s. So these goggles are like a worlds above what I'm used to.
They are nice.
Oh, man.
Yeah, it's amazing the clarity and the colors. The colors are correct.
Yeah, no, they're great. They're great. It's it definitely makes flying a lot more fun, unfortunately, because now I'm going to have to figure out what to do about mine.
Well, as the system updates, I told Tim, as the system updates, I'm going to give ShreddyBear the old BYTE FROST stuff because it does work. It's plug and play. I don't know why they even call it beta, but... And
I don't mind being tethered either right now. I mean, this is perfectly fine for me. I mean, tethering would be nice to get rid of at some point, but, I mean, this is an amazing step forward. Whoa, hello. Whoa, hello. Whoa, hello. All right, well, there you go. Survived that one just fine. Let's just call that a Rubik's Cube, shall we? We'll just call that one a Rubik's Cube move. And actually, let's try a little juicy right here. I'm not very good at juicy, so let's try a little juicy. Yeah. That's a style that I wish I could fly better. That juicy flow.
Yeah.
Johnny FPV juicy flow. I can trust this drone to do exactly what I want it to do. None of mine do that for me. None of mine are like, that's like a marriage. It just doesn't, you don't know what's going to happen next with any of my drones.
No, do you like the new firmware had the way we can switch around the OSD and Betaflight? How do you like does it look clear on the goggles?
Oh yeah, totally.
Good.
Totally. Now some of your stats are clipped off a little bit, so I can't see some of the readouts, but I mean, I can see how long I'm flying. I can see an amperage of some sort on one side, but it's cut off, and then on the other side, I'm seeing 14 point, and then it just dwindles out. So
okay, I think what happened was on the screen, I tuned the Betaflight OSD on the actual screen.
Oh yeah,
instead of the goggles, and I should have used the goggles when I was setting it up. Is what happened.
This is just absolutely gorgeous picture, though, and I do love. I mean, I've heard so much about DJI, but the truth be told, I want more companies to get involved and create more stuff for this technology so it can grow more, Right. DJI is everything encompassed. They don't want to share any of their stuff. But with the BYTE FROST, companies can create the next Foxier camera or the next camera that's going to go along with this, or next run cam or whatever. Oh man, this is nice. This is so nice.
Well, and yeah, FatShark's always been community based, you know, and that's why they wanted to put the run cam on there. They could have developed their own camera. In fact, they did.
It's beeping. I don't want to land yet, though. Oh, too bad. Oh, man.
Well, ShreddyBear definitely shredded that one, so I'm glad he's loving my tune. And I'm glad he's loving the system. So there you go, guys. There's a guy who's never used the system.
You need to make tuning videos, man. You need to teach people how you tune, because your stuff is sick.
So would you say this is analog plus or HD?
No, it's HD. It's HD. It's HD for sure. I mean, yes, it's not the absolute perfect, but it's definitely, the quality is incredibly clear in comparison to what I fly on any of my stuff.
Yeah.
By far. I mean, that's a beautiful, I would take it just for the colors alone.
Right.
Which I wasn't going to say that, because Bardwell stuff certainly didn't state that. So whether it's the new update you just put on here or whatnot, it's a show off. It's gorgeous. And truth be told, I don't mind this whole tethering thing.
Right.
And I love your setup here. I think that's creative.
Well, when I'm sitting in the chair, it doesn't bother me.
Well, you can see someone's going to buy this and figure out how to strap it directly to their HDOs.
Yeah.
I mean, that's going to end up happening. They're going to have this humongous box on there.
They already have. They actually strap it to the back of their head.
Has someone created the 3D print for that yet?
Yeah,
I'm sure they have.
Yeah.
Oh, man. No, awesome. Show off.
All right. There you go, guys. There's a testimony from ShreddyBear.
Pretty sweet. I'm impressed.